Hi, writers! Welcome back. Remember, this week we are working on our passion projects. And we talked about how if you're passionate about something, you really love it. So we've brainstormed ideas of things that we're passionate about. We've looked into our passions by kind of getting some inspiration going yesterday. So today, Ms. Ennis wants to talk to you about what kind of writing you're going to do now. So you might have a topic. Let's talk about how we're going to make that into our writing project. So I have some ideas listed here for you of some different kinds of writings that we've done throughout the year. So for your writings, this is what you want to do. Miss Ennis isn't going to tell you what kind of writing you have to use. You can do anything that just speaks to your heart. So you could write a how-to or a teaching book. You could write a poem. You could make a poster or a letter to someone. You could write a true story. You could even make a fairy tale or a made-up story about something you really love. Like I'm thinking Juniper loves dinosaurs, so she might want to make a made-up story about dinosaurs. That would be really cool. So um, any of these ideas are perfect when you start your writing project. So the other day when we were exploring our passions, Miss Ennis clicked on the zoo exhibits and we took a quick glimpse at the penguins. We watched the polar bear for a minute. So I was feeling inspired and I decided I was going to write my poem about the penguins we watched the other day. So I started my poem, Penguins. Waddle, waddle, black and white, underwater, splash. Penguins look like tuxedos. These were just some inspirations that came to me as we were watching those penguins the other day. So this is an example of a poem that you could write about something that you're passionate about. Here are some other kindergartners that have been working on their passion projects. So one friend wrote a true story about when he was playing Frisbee outside. Another wrote a how-to book. And some other friends wrote poetry about things that they're passionate about. So I want you to think about what kind of book are you going to write? Because today your goal is to say the topic of your book and the type of book. So for example, I would say, I am going to write a poem about penguins, or I am going to write a how-to book about making cookies. Go ahead and share this with your home teacher. Tomorrow, we're actually going to start writing. Nice work today, writers.